Welcome to our Go Realty, Go Properties how-to channel for vacation rentals. This video doesn't have any pre-staged delays, therefore please use the pause or back options to move this tutorial at your own pace. The scope of this video is intended as a quick 1-minute tutorial for vacation rentals and focuses on how to lock and unlock the Kwikset Smart Door Lock. Okay, let's get started. If you haven't already, touch the screen. When the screen lights, it will present a security prompt of 2 lit numbers. Touch each lit number. In this case, we are prompted to respond with 1 and 8. This will result in a fully lit keypad to enter your access code. For this example, we have temporarily added an access code of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Once the correct code is entered, a check mark will appear in the lower left and the door will unlock. Note, entering a code wrong 3 times will temporarily lock the keypad for 5 minutes and send an alert to the hosts. To secure the lock, simply close the door, tap the screen, and you'll see in the lower right corner a lock icon. Press it. The lock will engage the bolt. This concludes our quick view of the Kwikset Smart Lock tutorial. If you need further assistance, please feel free to reach out to the local host listed on your reservation. Hopefully this tutorial helps you get situated for your time with us. Thanks for watching and enjoy your stay.